Well, here we are with the Galaxy again. I'm going to do a little spray job with the Elder Duster here on her and try cleaning out a little bit of this stuff. I don't know. Wow, that's cold on the fingers. Wow. Better let it cool, warm up here. The old fingers are really starting to roast. Freeze here. What kind of crap is that? Well, let's see here. God. Amazing. This thing is looks like it's never been touched before. All original. I don't see anybody's hands have been in here. It don't look like it to me. Don't look like anybody ever replaced anything. Oh yeah. Yeah, there's a lot of I don't know, I don't see much of nothing here to impede the progress that I'm having with it, cleaning wise. You got a heck of a lot of wow. I think I could almost take this outside, and if it was a little warmer out, and run the compressor and blow this all out. Get some pressure on that little can. They don't have a lot of pressure behind it. I mean, it does blow some of it out. I wonder if I'm even gonna. Yeah, like I said, I don't really see too much here that looks like it's been untouched, and everything looks so darn new and clean yet. I don't even know if thing ever got used besides sitting in that shed for that long a time. It's hard to say, but nothing's rusty and nothing's really seems to be any more. Oh, let's put a little air to this one. Well, I really get cold. Oh. I knew which I haven't really looked at the schematic yet to find out which tube this one here is. It's missing on here. But boy, oh boy, a lot of little dusties. Hopefully I can find out what that tube number is by looking at the blueprint ones or the schematic ones and see if I can pinpoint that one. I know it's got like 15 tubes, so he's now ripping that apart. I don't know what that was. Man. I don't know what that pot's for. Well, I don't know. This is getting pretty hairy here. Oh. Now, let's see what we got over here. What's hard to tell if I'm even in focus on this. You know, I hold that can for so long, it gets awful cold, had it compressed air. This is going to take some time. Man. Even with this little brush, it's going to take a long time to get all of this dust off of here. I don't like that stuff. Yeah, I don't know. Tell you the truth. But it looks pretty good. And again, I don't know. Hardest part is going to be figuring out this power plug here. And you know which one's AC on it. I don't know. Probably gonna have to do some serious work there to get that, figure that plug out. I'm surprised that Melvin even works after all that. Got quite a few crystals here. 1, 2, 3, 4 crystals. 5, 6. Everything's just packed in there so tight, I don't know. I can't. Holy man. Yeah, they really wanted to pack this baby in there. I got a capacitor there that's paper. I don't know. Can't see what it is. Of course, they put it on the wrong side. And now, that one goes down and the wire tabs too. Down to this connector here. Well, anyways. Yeah, I'm using Melvin this time for the camera, and I don't think he's going to work any better than the pinhole camera I used yesterday. I don't know. Took me 2.5 hours for a 14-minute 14-minute video. 2.5 hours on the conversion, because it's AVI. Of course, that pinhole camera's got to be AVI. I think that's one of the reasons why it takes so dang long for it to load. I couldn't get Melvin this morning to fire up. Took me all, I don't know how many tries before I finally got him to start, come up to the, at least to the, I could set the settings and reformatted it and reset it. And then it came up, so I don't know if it's just the software's corrupting Melvin or what, that it loses its way after it doesn't know when to start up when you push the button. So, and I seen Doug, he's having trouble with his black camera. He sent for another one. Well, I'll tell you one thing, it's 3 to 1. You get a good one, and then you get, you know, a couple of good ones, and then there's a bad one in there, something, corrupt one, that nothing works right. Either the color's off or something like that. Anyways, I don't know. I didn't have much good luck with these Chinese cameras lately. Again, really wanted to get something else, but you know, I'll be stuck with this stuff for, I guess, for a little while here yet. It'd be nice if Melvin worked good, because he's a cute little camera on it. You know, I kind of like him, but you got takes you 2 days to get him to fire up correctly, and before you can take a video. You can't have that in your car. So I don't know. Ooh, that's not good. This thing likes to throw frost like that. Huh. Here's some more cans here, but these are all metal ones. I don't know what. This pre-64, I think this radio was made in 64 or something like that, and it looks like this is a transition between paper and your regular electrolytics, and because I don't see any real modern in here, but I don't see anything real ancient in here either. That besides the old. Well, they aren't that old either. Capacitors seem to be. I don't see any leakage or nothing. I wonder if I fired this baby up, if it wouldn't turn on. I guess I'll have to make myself a dim bulb, because I don't have one of them made up. Well, that shouldn't be too much trouble. I'll just have to scrounge around here for a couple of incandescent, 100-watt incandescents or 75s. Just for the load. And I'm going to have to go over the power plug here somehow and figure out the what pins I got to use on that power plug for AC to get this thing to fire up. It didn't come with any plug or anything, of course. So I'm going to have to make something up to fit that, I imagine. Well, I don't see how I'm going to get any moved up here right now. She's pretty much done. It's warm here today. I got like 30 degrees almost, you know. Freaking heat wave from what we've been what we're through. Stuff's melting, and we're supposed to get rain again, so I don't know if that's gonna be good or not. I hate to see flooding. 6 EAs. I wonder if I can figure this out. I'm gonna go to see if I can come up with a schematic on that power supply plug once and see if I can use it here. Bear with me. I'll be right back. This is the power amplifier section that I can see here. 6HFS F8 F5 6HF5 is V10. V11 is a 6HF5 too. Now let's see here. I gotta remember how to do this. Oh, that ain't it. Okay, those are those two. And I got this one here, which is a 6GK6, which is V9. Okay. Okay. And the next little section here, I got this in there. And this is a 6EJ7 tube. Oops. Okay, come on. Be a good boy. No, that's not what I want. Huh. Previous view, please. Thank you. Okay. Man, we gotta go way over to this side. Looks like. And take a look at this one. This is another 6EA8 tube. This is V14A. Oh, I don't know. I've never had so many different tubes. There's so many tubes in this thing. It's like, wow. Okay, now let's see if we can find the next tube here. I don't know what that is. This looks like a tube here. Oh, what the heck kind of tube is that? V14B 6E8. I don't know how I'm going to figure out which one that empty one is, and unless I go through the whole thing here, I got a feeling to figure out which tube it is. Okay, and I got a couple tubes over here. There's one there. I don't know what that is. 15A 6E8 again. A lot of them. Huh. Okay, let's see. Can I go over a little bit here? Let's see if there's anything on this side. Oh yeah. And we got another 615B 6E8. Okay, what do we got down from here? Nope, that's the wrong way, I think. Oh, where am I here? Holy man. Power plug. There's the power plug. 800 volts. Wow. I don't know where I'm going to find all this voltage from. 12 volts DC. That 4 goes in 6. Huh. Very interesting indeed. I don't know how to. I'm just gonna. That don't do nothing either. Previous view. Previous view. Previous view. Gee. Well, I mean, you get back to the same old thing here again. I don't believe this. Okay. I don't do much either. How do you get her back to... There's the power plug again. Crystal sockets. Lock sockets. Ay. Come on now. Now what does this do? That don't do nothing. I want that. Huh. Yeah, I don't know. I can't figure out how to get this thing to go back to where it was. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I've never seen anything like this before. How do you get it back to where you want it? Zoom out. Hang it. Fit page. Yeah, there we go. Wow. I'm gonna have to figure this viewer out pretty good here. I don't know. Let's see here. What else we got here? How about this one? Let's try. We try that thing. Let's see what it does. Loop. Okay. Okay. Oh wow, that's weird. Okay. Where can I go with this to make it so you can see it, but it's not in the way? Okay, I think we want to go here and take a look at that. That's the 12B Z6. Okay. And this one here is 6HG8. 6HG8. Another 12 BA6. This one here, another 12 BA6. This one here, 6GX6. Yeah, man, I don't know. How you supposed to know? 6EA8. What's this? 12. I'm gonna have to look all of these up, I suppose. AT7. That's a transistor there. Oh, I can't tell, man, where we're at here. What's this one? Okay. It goes that way. Just goes down to a ground. There's a switch S2 in there. Power plug. I don't understand this. It should be this here, and I think these guys right here are the numbers to that, which goes to this here. 12. Yep. Okay, that helps a little bit. It'll give me some sort of an idea what I'm looking at. Yeah, I don't know. I really don't know if I'm going to be able to even get this thing working. You got to be kind of know exactly what you're doing here. How am I going to ever find out which one that is by... I don't know. I don't know, guys. I don't know, guys. What does this have to say over here? I don't know what this has to say over here. Yeah. Function switch. Okay. Function switch. Some tie points. Sideband 1. PTT. There's a bandwidth switch here, I guess. Which 3.5. And I see that. Where I'm that 14.0 and 14.5. That's all it's marked on that one anyway. So. Oh. I have no idea, man, what I'm looking for here. 1964 was a drawing, revised in 65. 1997. Boy, I can tell you one thing, I'm not sure I'm going to even know what I'm doing here. I think I bit off a little more than I can chew with this one. Well, I have to find out which one of those is the one. So that's going to be the trick for me. And I wonder if I'm going to be able to find it. That one out of there. Okay. And I can tell you one thing's for sure. Alright, where are you? Piece of crap here. That ain't it. Hello. Where the heck did I go with it? Uh-huh. I think this might be it. Yeah, that's it. Okay, then I want to see here. Capacitors. Control. Resistor parts. Is this the one I want? I don't know. What? I don't want that. I want... Excuse me. No, that's not the one I wanted anyways. Dirty, rotten pooper. That don't help me. That's all the diodes. That's not what I was looking for. Close that one out. Okay, come on. Tube numbers, that's what I was looking for. Tube numbers. This is the one that I'm going to have to figure out which is the one that goes to where. Okay. Oh, there they all are. All 15 of them. Okay. There's a simple. I have no idea what each function of each one of these is. I'm sure I'm going to have to look it up on the internet to figure it out. Now, well, I guess that's as far as I'm going to go with this right now. I got to go and take care of the wife anyway, so you guys hang in there. I'm getting at it. Slow but sure. Okay. Down with you, you crumb bum. Down with you, you crumb bum. This don't give me no idea. I'm going to have to write them down and then Google them all and find out what tubes are on there. Yeah, I don't know. Well, anyways, I'll bring her down to nothing. And I think I'll call it a bye for now. I see my hair came back too.